Hi, James with the 1HourSmartHome.com here, and today we are at the Google CES 2020 booth. And a question we get a lot is what security systems will work with Google Assistant or Google Home? And they've got like a nice display here of all kinds of different cameras, security systems, lock. But two of the ones that are kind of like most popular, obviously there's the Nest security system that's going to work with Google Home. But SimpliSafe is super popular. I know a lot of you out there have SimpliSafe or you're considering it. That does work with Google Home. And then Vivint Smart Home Hub. That's more of a custom installation from Vivint, less of a DIY thing. But that does work with the Google Home Hub. SimpliSafe, that's one that's a more DIY thing. You can get that on Amazon or SimpliSafe, super popular one. So that's pretty much it, but both of these do work with Google Home, Google Assistant, which means that you can control them with voice commands and you can have all kinds of other integrations. SimpliSafe is probably one of the more popular ones, as well as the Nest security system if you've already got Nest products like a Nest Hello or a Nest Door Lock. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.